Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about some fantastic ornamental trees that add interest to your winter garden. Today's trees are all ones with beautiful bark and trunks. The majestic trunks of these trees add to our gardens all year round, but in winter, when many plants are dormant, that's when the mottled, golden, silver, copper or peeling bark of trees really shine. Here are a few of my favourites. Our first tree is the Paperbark Maple or Acer griseum. It's a small deciduous tree with mottled bark. Its bark is smooth, shiny, orange-red and peels in tight curls. Hardy for zones 4 to 8. The Himalayan Birch is a medium-sized deciduous pyramidal-shaped tree with a graceful appearance. It bears shimmering white bark which peels each year to reveal a fresh layer beneath. It produces insignificant flowers in spring and then catkins. Hardy for zones 5 to 7. The Greek strawberry tree is an evergreen shrub or small tree with the smoothest bark. The bark is exfoliated during the summer, leaving a layer with a pistachio green colour, which changes gradually to a beautiful orange-brown. It produces white or yellowish green flowers in spring and fruits in autumn. Hardy for zones 7 to 9. The Tibetan Cherry Tree is a small deciduous tree with striking coppery red peeling bark. The bark is very high gloss. Mature specimens may produce white flowers in spring and red berries in autumn. Hardy for zones 6 to 8. The Chilean Myrtle is an evergreen small tree or shrub. Its older branches have a cinnamon and cream-coloured mottled bark. The leaves are small and it produces many waxy flowers in spring and purple berries in autumn. Hardy for zones 9 to 11. The Orangebark Tree, a Stewartia, is a beautiful deciduous small tree with peeling rust-coloured bark. In midsummer it produces white camellia-like flowers and it has good autumn colour. Hardy for zones 6 to 8. Trees are wonderful low-maintenance plants that add so much to any garden. So choose one that's appropriate for your space and your climate. Happy growing!